Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 2023. Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 2023, official price, release date and full specs. Every year, the Xiaomi Company offers a huge selection of enormous flagship smartphones, budget-friendly high-performance phones, and phones for the middle class. As a result, customers are looking forward to the next Xiaomi brand smartphone. This is the reason we are talking about the next Redmi Note 14 Pro Max smartphone from the Xiaomi brand. An official release date for this smartphone is still pending. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Max is scheduled to be on sale on March 28, 2023, though this date may slip due to feature updates or business troubles. Let's talk about display first. The upcoming Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Max smartphone's 6.9 Super AMOLED full touchscreen display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. This 1440x 3200 pixel display of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Max smartphone is wonderful news for aficionados of that device. In the display section, this phone also featured always-on display, which is quite useful for someone who is constantly on the go. See Redmi Note 14 Pro Max camera. Before discussing the camera, another significant component of this unique phone, we'll first talk briefly about the display. A quadruple 144MP primary lens, a 32MP ultra-wide lens, a 16MP wide sensor, and a 5MP depth sensor were added by Xiaomi to the back camera. For selfies, it has a dual 64MP plus 24MP camera. Redmi Note 14 Pro Max battery. A good smartphone's battery is a crucial component. Therefore, the 7100 mAh polymer-type non-removable battery was used by the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Max for its extended use. After one charge, you don't need another for at least 45 hours. A popular special feature for a flagship gadget is fast battery charging. The phone has 120W quick battery charging capabilities. Redmi Note 14 Pro Max operating system. Android 13 was added to the operating system part of this smartphone. This phone is highly quick because of the potent Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 Plus 5G mobile platform. The network technology for this Xiaomi smartphone included GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Redmi 14 Pro Max storage. Before making a purchase, a consumer will now quickly check the phone's memory capacity. A second micro SD card, internal storage, RAM, and ROM make up the memory. Xiaomi's Redmi Note 14 Pro Max offers 12/16 GB of RAM and two storage capacities of 256 GB and 512 GB. Note 14 Pro Max sensor. A decent sensor is necessary for a good smartphone. The newest sensors are therefore employed in Xiaomi's future smartphone, and they are the fingerprint, under the display, ultrasonic, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometer.